Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about easy and inexpensive ways to ward off aging. My name is Oralia. If you are new to my channel, I am an avid fashion and beauty lover that is over the age of 50. The content that I produce here on my channel is centered around how to be your best after 50. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you're into it, so that way you don't miss a thing. Part of these are beauty items and part of these are lifestyle items that will help you to ward off aging. Now that we are in the second half of our life, it's important that we take these things into consideration because they'll help us to feel vital and they will help us to feel young and they will help us to be young here and here. The first tip that I have for not looking your age is a very simple one. It is to whiten your teeth. Yes, whiten your teeth. Bright white teeth exude an air of youth. As we age, our teeth naturally yellow because we have all kinds of things that we do. Maybe you drink a lot of coffee or dark tea. Maybe you drink a lot of wine. It is something that you can do that doesn't cost a lot of money, that helps really to give you a youthful appearance. I use the Crest White strips. They do create a little bit of sensitivity, so the way that I mitigate that is that I don't use them every single day. I will use them maybe once every 3 to 4 days until I run out of the packet. And usually the whitening effects of the Crest White strips will last for about 6 months to a year, just depending on your lifestyle, depending on, if you drink coffee a lot or if you drink wine a lot or whatever it might be. Or you can go and buy any kind of whitening kit. Sephora carries them, Ulta carries them. You can get them even professionally done at your dentist, whatever you want to do, but whiten your teeth. That will help a lot in giving you a beautiful, youthful smile. Eat a healthy diet and limit alcohol. Alcohol is a toxin and it is not good for your internal organs. It's not really great for your liver. Maybe a glass of wine, one a night, is okay because it does have some heart benefits and things like that. But hard alcohol is something that you should limit. That's a tough one for me because I love social drinking. I do. And have to keep that in check though, because one, it causes weight gain because alcohol is pure carb, and two, it's not that great for my internal organs. And then more importantly, clean up your diet. Limit fried foods. Fried foods are horrible for you. If the oil is used again and again and again, it oxidizes and it creates free radicals. Make sure that you're eating a healthy plant-based diet, organic if you can afford it. Find the diet that fits your lifestyle because not everyone is cut out for every kind of diet. Once you get rid of those things in your life, you will have a much clearer mind. You'll sleep better, you'll feel better, and your skin will look better. I mean, it just has all around health benefits. So I urge you to take a close look at your diet and clean it up where you can, because that will help you to feel so much better, so much younger, and you will also exude that youthful feeling that you have because you've got the energy. Along the lines of health is fitness. You should be up and about and moving. If you don't move, then you're going to lose the ability to move. So it's important that you find an exercise that suits you. It could be taking a walk, could be going to a gym or working out on a machine, treadmill, whatever it is. Make sure that you're exercising. Make sure that you do strength exercises as well. It's very important that we keep our muscles strong and moving because that will carry over into the later years of our life where we will be vital and we can be mobile, in our 80s and 90s because we're strong now in our 50s. It's a great opportunity to sink your teeth in and really, really get fit and healthy because that way you'll have a great second half of your life. Another very, very important thing to do, and something that I am terrible at, have been terrible at in the first part of my life and am now getting better is to hydrate. Make sure that you're drinking plenty of water because it helps to keep the system moving well. It helps to keep the skin looking great. You feel better, you're not as tired, you're not as hungry. A lot of the times when you feel hunger pangs, it could be that you're thirsty. When you're feeling tired, it could be that you're thirsty. So make sure to drink your 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. We are water-based creatures. We need water, so water yourself. First thing in the morning, throughout the day, make sure that you're drinking water. Trust me, you will feel so much better. If you don't like straight up water, like me, I add something to my water. I love adding cucumber to my water. Cucumber makes my water taste refreshing and slightly sweet, and it's just so good. And I just cannot get enough water when I've got cucumber in my glass. For you, it could be lemon or lime, or maybe mint, or maybe a combination of those things. Whatever the case may be. If you can't drink water, figure out a way to make water more appealing. Try and stay away from artificial sweeteners though, because those aren't exactly good for you either. It's very hard, especially when you've got a demanding career and other things in your life, or maybe you're still raising a family, and it might be hard to get sleep, but make sure that you try and get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night, because otherwise you're always going to be tired. You're definitely going to look tired. Your skin will show when you are tired. If you have a hard time sleeping, there are a lot of apps out there and things that you can use and techniques that you can use to help you to get sleep, to help you even to get deep, meaningful sleep. You know, restless sleep is just as bad as not getting any sleep at all. I have a special spray that's got lavender in it. I put that on my pillows. Or one of my favorite recent tricks is using the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Something about that warm caramel vanilla scent puts me to sleep and lets me to sleep soundly and deeply. Another thing that you could do is maybe you can use something like binaural beats. Binaural beats are great at helping you to drop into a deep sleep. You don't have to keep them on all night long. You know, you set a timer for them, maybe 15, 30 minutes, you'll drop into sleep, and you really drop into a pretty deep sleep when you do binaural beats, or at least that's what happens to me. Another thing that you can do to help you to sleep better is to listen to atmospheric sounds. If you live in the city, maybe the sounds of like traffic and all of that, some people, that's really what they need in order to fall asleep. Have you ever seen my cousin Vinny, where he couldn't sleep because it was too quiet? Yeah, there are all kinds of things that you can do to help you to drop off into a deep sleep, into a meaningful sleep. So try all of that if you're having a hard time getting enough shut-eye. Don't stop learning. You need to keep your cognitive skills. You need to keep your brain flexible, and learning is a great way of doing that. It will help to ward off things like Alzheimer's and dementia. You know, it will help with all of that if you continuously learn. Now, memory and things like that, those are going to fade with age. There's no getting around it. But if you continue learning, you can definitely slow it down. You can put it off. You can be really sharp in the second half of your life, you know, have a great cognitive mind. Never, never, never stop learning. It's very, very important to do that. One of the things that I think is important to help you maintain a youthful appearance is applying a less is more philosophy when it comes to your makeup. It doesn't mean that you can't do a smoky eye. It doesn't mean that you can't wear glitter or shimmer on your eyes. That's not at all what I'm saying. What I am saying is go with a lighter hand. Another way to keep a youthful appearance, especially your skin, your lips, things like that, is to increase blood flow to these areas. There are a lot of different things that you can do to keep the blood flowing. When you increase blood flow, you are actually increasing collagen production. I use a jade roller on my face. I use a Microderm tool on my face, and I use the Juvalips lip plumper on my lips. If you don't want to use those devices, you can definitely do the same with facial massage, and you can massage your own face. Usually when I do it is when I am taking my makeup off. I use a cleansing oil to remove my makeup, and that makes your skin very slick. And so you can do various massage techniques on your face and on your skin, and that way you're increasing the blood flow, you're helping to fight gravity, and you're helping to improve that collagen production. Make sure to have good posture. Good posture is important at any age. You're standing up straight, you've got your shoulders back, your chin is out, you don't have this double chin action going on, you've got, you know, really upright appearance. It helps you because it makes you look thinner. You know, your gut isn't sticking out. As we age, especially those of us in our age group, you know, the 40s and 50s, we grew up in the computer age, you know, and we're constantly at our desks working on computers, and we're hunched over, you know, we're looking at our phone hunched over. Make sure that you take some time to stand up straight, learn how to do that in your regular life. Any kind of exercise that works out your latissimus dorsi, which are your, you know, the shoulders in the back, your deltoids in the front. Make sure that you stretch your chest, because that also will pull your shoulders in if you don't have enough flexibility in your chest. If you're working out a lot and you do a lot of chest exercises, just make sure to do some stretches in order to keep your shoulders up and back and your chest open. You can go to Pinterest. There's lots and lots of guides that teach you exercises to help improve your posture if you don't want to go to the gym and do heavy weights like, you know, lat pull downs or something like that. Remember what your mom told you, sit up straight. It absolutely applies today even. So sit up straight. Make sure that you exfoliate your skin and that you moisturize. Both of those things are incredibly important. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It helps to give your skin a brighter, more youthful appearance. And then of course, moisturization will keep you hydrated, because as we age, a lot of us, not all of us, a lot of us, our skin will start to get drier. And so you want to make sure that you're adding moisture to your face. If you have an oily complexion, still critical to moisturize, because what happens is if you don't moisturize with an oily face, the face thinks that it is dehydrated and it will produce even more oil. So stay moisturized no matter what, and make sure that you exfoliate again to refresh your skin, to remove any texture from your skin, you know, to just help give it a more youthful appearance. Those are the 10 easy and inexpensive ways to put off aging. Let me know some of your tips and tricks in the comments down below. I would really love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.